In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in Wrike. Dependencies are what connect your tasks together so that when one task changes, the related task can adjust automatically. This is especially useful in projects like marketing campaigns, where one activity can't start until another one is finished. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can confidently set up dependencies on your own. First, open your Wrike Workspace and go to your ad campaign project. You can do this from your main workspace by navigating to the folder or project where your ad campaign is stored. Make sure you're viewing the right project, since we'll be working directly in its task list and timeline. Once your ad campaign project is open, look for the area that shows your different views, such as table, board, or Gantt chart. You'll want to click on the highlighted option that switches you into the view where you can manage the project structure. This is usually the section that lets you see your tasks in a more detailed or timeline-based layout. Next, click on the highlighted control that opens up the menu for creating or adjusting your project view. This is typically located near the top of the screen. Here, you'll see an option to create a specific type of view that's better suited for scheduling, like a timeline or Gantt-style layout. Go ahead and click on Create to generate that view for your ad campaign project. Once the timeline or Gantt view is open, Wrike will display your tasks along a horizontal calendar. This is where dependencies really come into play. Look for the highlighted icon or button associated with timeline configuration. Click on that, and a menu will appear with different options, including one labeled Dependencies. Click on Dependencies to enable or show dependency controls in this view. When dependencies are active, you'll see small connectors or handles at the ends of your task bars, allowing you to link tasks together. If you need to revisit or adjust this setting, you can again click the same highlighted configuration area in the timeline view and select dependencies once more. This lets you quickly toggle or refine how dependencies are displayed without leaving your project. And that's it. You've navigated to your ad campaign project, created the right timeline-style view, and turned on the dependencies options so you can start linking tasks and managing your project schedule more effectively in Wrike.